everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup. In today's video, I have a very unique, new, interesting topic which I haven't touched before in this channel, and this video is about how to look classy without spending a lot. So all the products which I'm going to show you are going to help you look classy, and they are all very affordable for the products they are, for the quality it is, and you are going to be pleasantly surprised with each one I'm going to show you. All of them are so unique, so classy, and yet so affordable that you will be spoiled for choice and you will not be able to make your mind which one to pick, which one not to. So all the product links will be in the description box for you to check out. Or these products are worth it. So let's begin the video, shall we? So let's talk about the first product, a very interesting, unique product which I'm sure most of you don't even know about existed on Amazon. So this product is something which I always wanted to do the real one, but I could not, so hence I got the fake ones. Have you guessed it already? So if you have seen a lot of celebrities, they have colored hair, they have different lengths of hair. We all get easily inspired with those celebrities and we want to do a haircut like that, or we want to do our makeup like that. I really wanted to make my hair colored just like any other celebrity would. I was always very afraid, मेरे बालों का क्या होगा? What will be the condition after coloring the hair? Will I be able to maintain it? I will have to buy 1,000 more products to maintain that hair. So I have a solution for that. I am talking about these beautiful hair extensions which you can clip on to different parts of your hair, and you can make it look like real hair, and they are so affordable, available in so many different colors. I have already wore this in many of my previous videos. I'm going to show you here, and there are many other colors available, right from your quirky purple and blue ones to your very common burgundy ones and blonde ones, and also black ones. So this is how they are. They are clip on. So this is the clip, and you put this in your hair like so, and you clip it. I mean, अंदर से करना होगा. For example, I pick up this strand of my hair and I clip it in. Or if you want, you can also curl it according to the way your hair looks like. My hair is a little wavy, so if I want to make it look natural, so I will curl it a bit with a curling iron or something, and it will be looking natural. And if you have straight hair, you are good to go wearing this just as it is. So this was a Kamal ka product, isn't it? Moving on to the next one. The next product is my recent find, and I'm in love. I'm talking about this beautiful watch I got from Amazon. This is the brand called Vibes, and this watch is such an amazing piece for all you ladies out there. I love smart watches. I have a black one too, that is also from Amazon. This one is also from Amazon. It is unique. Why? Because it is rose gold in color, and this looks so fab. Just have a look at this. It has many faces. It has Bluetooth calling. It has different sports modes. You can measure your steps. You can look at the time. You can set different reminders. You can use your apps on the screen. It's a very big screen, and I totally love it for the way it looks. It is a beautiful design, and it is rose gold, which is very trendy. You will love it once you start using it. It also comes with a strap inside. This one is a beautiful nude color, a pinkish nude color. I love it. I can make it look different. If I want to wear it with the chain, I can. If I want to wear it with the silicone strap, I can. It is a beautiful investment. You must give it a try and you will not repent. Moving on to the next one. I have a very beautiful belt. This one was such a love at first sight when I saw this on Amazon. This is a beautiful snake pattern. There are a lot more other patterns. The beauty of this product is not just this. It is a belt which has a transparent strap. It is going to take the color of your dress, and the buckle will shine. There are a lot more other designs. It is a fantastic product. You will love it, and people who see you wearing this will also ask you कहाँ से लिया. बहुत ही अच्छा product है और इतने amazing price में available है कि आप अपने आप को रोक नहीं पाओगे. Don't you think it's very important to smell good when you want to be classy or when you want to leave an impression? So this is a perfume from the brand of Rene, and they have a lot of options to choose from. They have a set also, but I have this individual piece. Look at this classy bottle. It is a very small one, easy to carry in your purse, to wear it wherever you want to, whenever you want to. And it smells so good. It is a very classy fragrance. I completely love it, adore it, and highly recommend it. There are so many different options on Amazon from the fragrance category which you should choose, and you should choose because you want to leave a lasting impression. Moving on to the next one. So I have this product. This one was on my wish list for the longest time, and when I saw this at an amazing price, I could not stop myself from buying this. This one is from the house of High Design, and this one is a beautiful classy bag. I cannot stop gushing about the fact that I have a High Design bag in my kitty now, and this is so classy. You can see I haven't even used it. I was storing it for the video for you to show, for you guys to. I haven't even used it. I wanted you guys to see it first, and it is such a classy piece. I cannot begin to explain you. Look at these buckles. Look at the way it looks. It is absolutely new, and I am so excited to use it. Look at this. It is metallic. It is metallic halfway through, and halfway it is leather, and the color is to die for. I love these kind of brown tan combinations. And this is an original piece, guys. Amazon does sell authentic stuff. You should definitely try this out, and you're going to be so happy with the quality, with the product. And this one is a fabulous investment in your wardrobe to make a lasting impression on anyone you meet, and for your happiness as well. This has made me so happy that you can tell from my expression. I might be blushing because I love this, and it was a long time pending purchase. Finally I got it, and I'm so happy, and I can't wait to style it. Moving on to the next one. If you have seen some brands which have launched a very unique product in the fashion category, those are ring watches, and I have got the perfect one in the affordable range. I have two. I have a silver and a golden one, and they can be this can be styled on your finger like so, and you can make a lasting impression. What do you think about this? It's so cool, right? It's so cool, and it is such a one of a kind product that when you wear it, people are gonna ask you, ring watch? ये कब launch हुआ? ये कहाँ से लिया? So that kind of product is this. So this is that kind of product. You should definitely buy this because these are so affordable that आप ले लोगे, अभी ये वीडियो देखकर ही ले लोगे, because it is very affordable, and the quality is also not bad. So why not? In one of my previous videos, I had shown you all beautiful anti-tarnish jewelry. I'm currently wearing those classy pieces, and I love them. So this is the jewelry box, and I have already try your hands on anti-tarnish jewelry, because gold jewelry definitely looks very classy, definitely keeps a lasting impression. It's gonna look so classy. Moving on to the next product. If you are someone who loves matte lip colors and you want to look classy, you should definitely try a brown nude color. I am talking about this beautiful number from Mars. This is how it looks. Beautiful, isn't it? You should definitely give it a try, and the finish is fabulous, the pigmentation is fabulous, staying power is good too. I totally recommend this product and all the lipsticks which I've shown you. So that is about the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So let me know which one are you getting for yourself. Share this video with your girlfriend and follow me for more such videos. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will come back. Bye, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.